Hi everybody, this is JDV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Maps settings to satellite view. Here you have Google Maps, the maps right here of the United States, whatever. You go to the bottom left, where it says layers over here. You click it, when it says satellite, and it changes it to satellite view. Now there's many options. What else views you can do? Click on layers is terrain, or just shows the mountains and stuff like that. Traffic view shows live traffic or semi-live traffic. And transit, if you're traveling by bus or train, it shows the routes on there. For biking, it shows a lot more stuff on there. But to get to satellite view, just click on layers on the bottom right, bottom left. Click satellite, and here you go. It's a simple tutorial, easy way to find it. A lot of people don't know how to do this, so this is an easy way to figure it out. And I do more tutorials on Google Maps because some people need help and I don't mind helping it out. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.